put let's make it 1,000, okay, because let's say put $1,000 in the bank. And then, okay, I receive an interest rate of 5%, okay, 5% per annum, okay, per annum means per year, okay. Let's say I leave it there for, 4 years, okay, let's say I leave there for 4 years. Now, how much we will have at the end of 4 years, okay? So what that means, at the end of 4 years, I will still have $1,000, but then I have interest as well, okay, because the bank pay me, okay. So let's go. Let's say we work out 1 year at a time. Let's say at the end of first year, how much you have? Well, at the end of the first year, let's say first year, okay. Let's say first year. At the end of first year, I will get 5% of 1,000, okay, interest, okay. Then I add that on top. That will be how much I have. So let's say if you don't want to work 5% of 1,000, you can say like simple interest. I equal PRN, right? So P is how much money you invest. So which is I put 1,000 in, okay. That's how much I have at the beginning. Then the interest rate is 5% per year, okay. So at the end of the year, I get 5% of 1,000, okay. And it's 1 year, of course, so because it's just for at the end of first year, so 1 year. So if you do that, okay, I get $50, all right. So that cancels, so 10 times 550. I'll just type in calculator. So you get $50 at the end of first year, right? That is how much I have in interest, okay. So therefore, the amount I have in the bank at the end of first year, which is, let's say this is I, okay, I is the amount of first year I have. I will have 1,000, okay, dollars, that's when I put in the bank, and then add the interest on top. So which is, I will get $1,050 at the end of the year, first year, okay. Now, because I'm going to reinvest, okay, so I'm going to reinvest, so therefore, okay, therefore, at the end of second year, let's say leave this so I know, okay, at the end of second year, okay, second year, the interest that I will receive is a little bit more because I didn't put 1,000 in, I got $1,050. So interest is I will get 5% of 1,500, so which is 1,050. Okay, so 5% of that, if you like. Okay, then I will get all time by 1. I equal PRN. So 1 is okay. We can just leave it. So or you can just say 5%. Every year I got 5% of the amount I reinvest. So which is, if I do that, I will get $52.50. Okay, so second year, I have received an interest of $52.50 instead of $50. See, because I didn't put 1,000 in, I put $1,050. So I will have a little bit more on interest. So therefore, at the end of second year, which is I2, I will get 1,050 at the interest on top, which is I got $52, okay, of the second year, 52.50 cents. So I will get, okay, 1,152, 1,100, sorry, and $2.50. Okay, that's at the end of second year. That's how much I have. Now, at the end of third year, how much do I have? So let's say third year, okay. At the end of third year, I'll just rewrite this. Okay, third year. Right, at the end of third year, okay, I will get this much interest. Okay, interest equal, I will get 5% of the second year. So which is $1,102.50 times by 5%, because I keep getting 5% of whatever I reinvest. So which is $55. And okay, 1 to 5, which is 13 cents. But anyway, I just write that because I'm going to carry with this amount. Okay, so this is how much interest I get. As you can see, I get more and more interest each year. Okay, so the amount that I have, okay, at the end of third year, which is I will have 102 and 50 cents at $55.13. Okay, but 12.5 for now. And then I will get, okay, which is 1157 and 625. Okay, if you like, or 63, doesn't matter, 625, because I'm going to use that and carry on. Now, at the end of 4th year, how much we'll have? So let's say at the end of 4 year, let's say 4th year. Okay, at the end of 4th year, I will get, okay, 5% of the 3rd year. So which is I equal 5%, which is 1157.625 times, okay, 5%, which is 5 over 100, and I will get $57.88, right? That's how much interest I have. So if I want to work out how much will I have, so which is at the end of 4th year, I will get, okay, $1,157.63. I just write 63 at, okay, $5788, and I will get $1,215.51. Okay. So what that means is I put $1,000 at the beginning of the year. At the end of 4th year, okay, I will receive the total amount of this much, okay, which is, that's how much I have at the end of 4th year. All right, now, that's what it is, okay, because I start with 1,000. At the end of 4 years, I've got $1,215.51, because 1,000 is my amount of my investment, and then $215.51 is my interest. Okay, so in another word, if I want to find out how much interest I earn, I go 1,215.51, okay, minus 1,000. Okay, that's how much I put in the bank. So the difference is the interest, okay, that I earn, 215.51. That's how much I earn at the end of 4th year. Thank you.